Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to install Node.js and NPM on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. So let's get started. Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to install Node.js and NPM latest LTS version on Ubuntu 26.04 LTS. So let's get started. At first, open a new terminal by pressing Ctrl Alt T at the same time, and then update your system using this command with sudo privilege sudo apt update, then hit enter. Now enter the password, then hit enter. It may take a while for updating your system. Okay, now write this command with sudo privilege sudo apt install Node.js and also NPM, then hit enter. Now type Y and hit enter to continue installation. It may take a while for installing Node.js and NPM. Okay, Node.js and NPM installed successfully. Now verify the installation using this command. For Node.js, type node --version, then hit enter. That's it. And also check the NPM version. That's it. Now I am going to install the latest LTS version of Node.js. So write this command to install and package okay, and then use and to install latest LTS version of Node.js. Now verify the installation. Open a new terminal and write this command node --version. That's it. Here you will see. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.